Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Sarnavat. I am from SYB. My role number is 46. I am from the Hotel College of Engineering and Technology. So today I am talking about to ElevenLabs, one of the most advanced AI generation platform, AI voice generation platform in the world. It uses artificial intelligence to convert text into realistic human-like speech. So first we open ElevenLabs website, ElevenLabs. It is useful to creation educational, business, and even filmmakers video. So this is the website. You can log in and sign in here. The website introduction of this website. It is 11 Labs, founded in 2022, 2022 by Peter Devosky and Mati Fanizukawaski. Their goal was simple: to make AI voices sound natural, emotional, and expressive, just like humans speak. So here is the sounds we can try. Okay. So
In the ancient
so
land of Eldoria, where skies shimmered and forests whispered secrets to the wind, lived a dragon named Zephyros. Not the burn it all down kind, but he was gentle, wise, with eyes.
we can convert here text to speech. There are some agents which can play Jessic Lily and will like music. Game character voice also there. Then we can call here like there is we can make musics. We can generate musics like this. So basically the website works, the platform deep learning and natural networks train on thousands of hours human speech. However, it works. You type or paste your text into the 11 Labs editor. The AI analyzes the context including punctuation, emotional and placing. Then it is generate a voice output that sounds almost identical to a real person. So you can clone a voice by uploading a short simple and AI will replace its tone and accent. This make generate it great for podcast, audiobook or dubbing videos into multiple languages. Here we can convert text to speech of any language. It is also used for dubbing English to Hindi like this.
There's a lot of young people listening to this that are
Now we can convert it
कहानी से
into
प्रेरित
Hindi.
हैं उन बहुत ही साधारण शुरुआतों से लेकर के
This is how the website works. So 11 Labs is used as many creative and professional areas such as content creation. So the YouTubers and podcasters are used to create voiceovers quickly. Education, teachers and e-learning companies use it to make it lessons interactive. Then also used for voice cloning and accessibility. It is virtually used inspired by the user converted text into speech naturally. Then customer service, the customer business is used to power realistic AI voices for chatbot and superior lines. Then advantage. The main benefits of these websites are The main benefits of these websites are highly quality natural voices. There is high quality of natural voices that sound real. Ma- Manipulation support with 30 plus languages and accents. Emotional control allowing voices to express sadness, excitement, or calmness. Fast processing make it efficient for large scale projects. And finally, it uses friendly, so even beginner can use it. So, however, there is also ethical cons. Voice cloning can be misused. So there is some cons of this website. Uh, the the voice which is used by wrong people, it's sometimes not good for others. It brings the gap between humans and machines and making digital voices sound truly alive. In the future, in the future, we can expert even more creative uses as this technology continue evolve. So thank you.